I think that manufacturing would be a good option for students. There's just a lot of opportunity in manufacturing, and I think it's pretty neat to see how you can take a raw material and turn it into something that you use. And I think that there's a lot of pride that goes into knowing that you were part of making something that ends up in something larger than what you're actually making.
I believe manufacturing is absolutely a viable employment option for students coming out of school directly, because it's amazing the number of different opportunities that you can see coming into this type of environment. One thing that we have here at Webco that I think is really a great benefit is tuition reimbursement. So many people starting out at coming directly out of school may not know exactly what they want to do for their life, but if they don't necessarily want to come out with $80,000 or $100,000 in debt out of college and not be sure that's what they want to do. So coming directly into manufacturing gives a student the ability to try a few different things, see what they may like, and then for companies where there is tuition reimbursement, potentially use that to help pay for your school while you're still earning a wage and not have that debt as you're coming out of school with student loans.
The skills that manufacturing has given me is the ability to do many different things. I've learned how to weld. You can drive fork trucks, you can run equipment. It's limitless.
I was amazed at how basically people and robots basically worked together, and it was just really cool to watch.